Welcome to Word Angel Show.
My name is Word Angel.
I'm from Cape Town, South Africa. I do discovery of the wonders of the world.
Sutherland, it's a beautiful place.
Action!
If you move like this a little, it can't be decided. It's wonderful.
Table Mountain Cafe. And if it's your first time watching me, please don't forget to subscribe.
Wow, there's so many beautiful butterflies and so many beautiful things.
We're just waiting for the mist to come here. Now I've made it on this side where we can get to go to Chimp Haven, where you get to see chimpanzees. This is what they look like if you've never seen before. You can go there because it's a beautiful place.
Yeah, maybe if they skip 1 meal, we'll just skip
Up the glider. And once we do that, it's mimicking our takeoff.
So just may God bless you and enjoy your time now.
I started also kite surfing this year.
Yeah, then I'll show you that side. Then I'll catch a penguin. Now that you guys have seen the video, you guys might have an idea of the image of when I tell you guys about my company. So I'm going to tell you about my company now. My name is Word Angel. My name is Word Angel Muganza. I'm from Cape Town, South Africa. I do discovery of the wonders of the world. I live in a family of 4 children. I have 3 brothers. I'm the only girl and I'm the eldest. There's Worth, Wonder, and Wade. I love nature, animals, exploring new places, and meeting new people. Having identified my passion, my dad, Mr. Benedict Muganza, have decided to build this company for me. And being a 10-year old at the moment, I thank my father, my mother, Mrs. Martha Muganza, and you, my dear viewers, for the great support I received to follow my dream. Special thanks to my production team and my great cameraman, Mr. Fiston Tawaba. Word Angel Show is a young and developing company, started officially in November 1st, 2020, and my YouTube channel was launched December 1st, 2020. I have resided with a vision to cover the whole of South Africa and the rest of the world later. My passion is to cover the whole of South Africa. The whole of South Africa, and reside with the vision to cover the whole of South Africa. Receiving your feedbacks, likes, and subscription is highly appreciated. And is a valuable help to me and to continue serving you. The things that I learned when I went around the world and explored new places is when I went to Drakenstein, Lion Park, Builders Bay. I went to Nelson Mandela's prison. I went to so many beautiful places, and like right now, you guys can go to the Two Oceans Aquarium, Sea Point. You can go to Cape Point, the Cape Wheel. You can go to Sutherland, to see this gazing stars. And in one of the places where I've been, where I learned so much new things, and there's this one thing that someone once told me, the best thing you can ever get is, the best education you can ever get is traveling. And if you never travel, you never get to see new things and to see wonderful things that you've never seen before. I've learned so many new things during my journey. And for example, when I've been in Builders Bay, I got to see penguins. Does anyone know what penguins is? They're small animals, it's almost like a bird. It's so cute, and I think they're cute also. I don't know about you guys. I got to saw them. And for any of you who have children, also you can take your children there for a weekend to go see them there. Like now we're closing schools, you can take them there to go see the penguins. And in Sutherland, I got to see the stargazing, which means seeing the planets that is up there in the sky. Have you ever seen those, anyone? They're very amazing. You get to go there to Sutherland. It's not that far, in another province. You go there, you see the stars, and it's so amazing. And then you go to Cape Wheel, where you get to go on the carnival wheel, where you spin around. You go to Cape Point, and in Cape Point, you actually go on the car wheel, which actually is like a train and a car that drives up on the mountain, that starts from the beginning, taking you up to the mountain, and then you get to see the Atlantic and Indian Ocean. There's actually a line between it that separates the ocean. And if some people even have this theory, when you see the Atlantic and Indian Ocean, they're touching each other, but they don't mix together, and they have different colors. That is a very, very amazing thing you can see, and there's literally a real line between it. And when you go there, you're just going to feel so amazed. And when you go see my video of my reaction, I was so excited. I said this was a bomb. I was just so excited. And you can also go to when you go to Cape Point, and you can go to Builders Bay, Sea Point also, to have picnic there, spend time with your family. You can go to the Two Oceans Aquarium, where you get to see sharks and fishes and all the amazing things. You can go to Christenbosch Botanical Garden, where you get to see, it's one of the best places in Cape Town, where you get to see flowers, and there's a huge garden, the biggest, one of the most amazing and the biggest gardens in the world. It's so amazing. It's called Christenbosch Botanical Garden. You can go there, and then you're going to see a lot of flowers. It's quiet there. It's so amazing there. You just feel so amazing. You see new flowers and a lot of nice things. And you can go to just travel around and see so many beautiful places. I advise that you guys also go there, take your kids there, and travel also. That is all I had to say for today. And please subscribe, like, and press the notification bell, and share my videos, please. Thank you very much.
Basically, what she does is, as you can hear, she loves nature and stuff like that. Basically, we identify a gift in the child, and we decided to accompany her in that journey, because if she's busy with school, it's something that you can do. They don't have to abandon school. So we have built a production team. She walks, wherever she goes, you can see one of the videos, she was in the air paragliding, like one of the parachutes. Some people go, why do you leave the child doing that? They think that we couldn't do, we can give the children opportunity to explore the world. We don't have to keep them in a little corner. So let your child go, is imagination free, be able to do what you have not been able to do. So we allowed her to go and explore. She's been to the places where I've never been, like Mandela prison and stuff like that. So she had that passion, and we decided to put a team together. It's actually an officially company that's registered in South Africa. It's one of the companies called World Angel Show. She's got a website page. Everything that she does goes on the website. And also what she does is, when she travels, she takes the information, the traveling course, how amazing the place, how the people are. She put it online to help the people plan their vacations. If you want to take it, like now it's holiday time, you want to go to beautiful places, take your children, you can go on a website page, you can go on a YouTube channel, you can see all those places. She actually put the details of telling you, this is how this place is, and this is how the cost of living, how do you go about. So when the production team goes there, we let her do all the work. So she's got a personal trainer, that's a trainer, the speaking and all that. But when she goes do the work, we let her do the work. And the production team, after training, they let her go, they meet the people, do the interview, the speaking, so that she can take the fear out. So it's one of the things, as the child grows, that already a company, she's learning. Every weekend we take her to the office, and computer skills and management, reading emails, and people that are sending emails. And she also advises the people, if you want to know the visa, the money in South Africa, because she almost covered now the whole of Cape Town. They started going in other provinces. And when they finish South Africa, they started going overseas and stuff like that. So it is a project that we want her to grow with it as a company, as it is. And she grows with that experience. She doesn't have, when she reaches 18, start looking for work experience, you know. She has it already, she grew with it. And as an African, it's something that we never do. And we encourage, we're using this example to inspire you and say, identify your child what it is. You don't have just to leave the child get involved in unuseful activity. They're just playing. We make a very discipline for her. Phone, internet, we've got the whole team that manage that business so that the child doesn't just go on the internet and watch anything. So everything that she does, the internet side is managed by a team. And we want that to be a brand. You don't have to go just on WhatsApp the whole day with your friends and say, no, you are a business. You have to grow with that in mind. You have your time to play, you have your time for WhatsApp with some friend, and we manage the phone and everything. It goes to the production team. We know who is contacting her, she's chatting with who. If there is some bad conversation, we say this cannot be a friend. You take them out of your phone. So it's basically you grow your child in that discipline. And if we want the best for our children, it's something that we should do. And we encourage every single person, take your child, take them to their destiny if you don't want them to face what we face.
Switzerland, it's a beautiful place.
Action!
If you move like this a little, it's wonderful. Table Mountain Cafe. And if it's your first time watching me, please don't forget to subscribe. Wow, there's so many beautiful butterflies and so many beautiful things. We're just waiting for the mist to come here. Now I've made it on this side where we can get to go to Chimp Haven, where you get to see chimpanzees. This is what they look like if you've never seen before. You can go there because it's a beautiful place.
Yeah, maybe if they skip 1 meal, we'll just skip
Up the glider. And once we do that, it's mimicking our takeoff.
So guys, may God bless you and enjoy your time now.
I started also kite surfing this year.
Yeah, then I'll show you that side. Then I'll catch a penguin.